Hello. Whenever you go to another country and meet new people, you must introduce yourself to them. In today's video, let's see how to introduce yourself in Japanese. Introduction is known as ziki紹介in Japanese. How will we read this? The words will be written in English, Japanese, as well as Romaji. In an introduction, we mention information such as your name, age and nationality, your grade and section for a student, hobbies, which is an optional choice. So let's learn these in Japanese. 1. Name, age and nationality. I or me is watashi. Name is namae. Age is your age and sai desu. Nationality or I am from would be your country and jin desu. India is Indo. Japan is Nihon. And USA is America. Sentences. I am, then the name, watashi wa, name, desu. So watashi wa kriti desu. I am your age, years old. Watashi wa age, sai desu. I am 11 years old. Watashi wa 11 sai desu. I am an, then your nationality or country. So watashi wa dash jin desu. Watashi wa Indo jin desu. Grade and section. Grade is your grade and nensai. Section is Gucci. Sentences. I am in your grade. So watashi wa dash nensai desu. In section, then your section. So dash gumi desu. For example, I am in grade 6A would be watashi wa 6 nensai to A gumi desu. Hobbies, which is an optional choice. Hobby is shumi. Singing is utau. Sentences. My hobby is to sing would be watashi no shumi wa oyagu koto desu. This is what an introduction mainly needs. Enough when you don't know the language much. So hopefully this video helped you to present your introduction. Thank you for your thoughtful and supportive comments on my videos. They motivate me to do better.